Alright, welcome back. For this one, the Weather Wonders activity is simply the teaching tornado vortex machine. And so some people they were a little confused on how to set it up, and we had some instructions that kept disappearing. So we thought, well, we'll just put a video online explaining what all is actually in the kit. Now we have it says the kit, this tornado machine itself, and there's a binder that goes with that. And then in the binder I have the manual lessons and things like that, and then the 4 tornado tubes. Okay, and the tornado tubes are just these. And so give them a spin, they go down, woohoo, it's fun. Alright, we've all seen these. So yeah, there's some of those in there to keep the other kids busy. But to set up this so you don't have to go through those instructions, quite simply, fill the tray with water. We just now put water in here, so there's already water in here. And then this unit itself, the rest of the unit, sometimes when it gets put back it gets kind of disheveled, and so you'll have to make sure the tubes line in the top holes, and if they don't, press right where it is, give it a little twist to get it into the top, and then make sure all the vertical holes are about a 45-degree angle from the center. So think of a straight line from the center and put it at 45. Each of them. That's going to give us the rotation we're looking for. Okay? Then in the bag with mist unit is the actual mister, and so it's using ultrasonics, and so it's just a little mister thing. Put it right in the middle. Make sure your water is high enough to cover that bar. If it doesn't cover the bar, then you don't have enough water in there and it won't come on. Okay? So then plug in, and you have your mister unit. Now the mist unit itself, see, takes out, doesn't work, has a little red LED in it. The mister unit itself, one thing about it is it's using ultrasonics, and so it's possible, it's just like a dry mist humidifier, same stuff going on. That's all we're creating here with this. And then I'm moving things. And so it can, if a student were to touch the actual plate, it could almost simulate a burn with the ultrasonics, the energy there. But have yet to have a problem in 6 years of using this, and so apparently no one's touched it for me. And then so to set this right on top, and so now we have our machine. The one thing we haven't yet is the power cord, because we want to also power up the fans that are up on top. Now with a tornado or any kind of vortex, actual tornado from the atmosphere, switch these around really fast. So, and make sure that's on a grounded circuit and all that good stuff. With we need both updraft and we need rotation. This gives us 2 fans on top to do just that. So let me find them. There we go. Around front. Emily? I messed up almost. Alright. Which is apparently why people are asking for the video. I'm asking poor Emily, what'd you do? But there are separate controls for both the dials. That's funny that happened when we're doing this. It's separate controls for both the dials. And so if it's in the middle, the one's not running, and so you get no anything. And so flip that over, and now we have the updraft coming from the center fan here, pulling up, and then the other fan is pushing down into the tubes, which is creating rotation. And there we get a nice vortex with that. Simple enough, easy to get confused if things are turned and stuff, it's not working, it can be frustrating. And so just make sure your tubes are 45, make sure your dials are turned on and turned up, and make sure you're in a grounded GFI type outlet, because you are using water and electricity, so let's be safe. There you go, and thank you very much, and good luck with your science.